Yeah, working on this, it's a 2014 Ram 1500. Nice truck, generally, and it's giving me a little bit of headache. So what's happening is the cooling fan is not working. So normally, if the fan don't work, I'm gonna check for power and ground at the connection, and yes, there is power and ground. So it's not a voltage supply problem. The next thing we went, it's okay, power and ground, the problem is never usually the computer. Well, rarely, but yeah. Put a new fan in. I don't know if it ran one day, but customer came back and said, hey, the fan don't still work, still having heating problems. Now it's back in. And I read about this some of the times, a lot of people talking about the aftermarket fan not working and stuff like that. And that was the route I wanted to go. But I said I'm going to check, do some electrical diagnostics because this fan is not cheap. And what I did is I started for tracing back the circuit, had to pay for the wiring diagram. I got to this connector, that's the control. So my problem now is the control in this car, it's not working. I got that connector, the wire from the fan to the connector, there is continuity, good. From the connector to that one, there is also continuity, which means the wire integrity is good. But from here to the computer, to the PCM, which is here, there was no continuity. Now I can identify from the wiring diagram that it's the blue wire. There's a blue wire on that connector. But when I go on the PCM and it's pin 30, I don't see the blue wire. I don't see continuity. Now I start tracing the wire. I want to find out how to cut the wire here, cut the harness a little bit, look for the wire, no signal. Now I went down one more step, no signal. But from here, I know the wire, the signal is leaving from this connector. A little bit backward, I could find power. So I just decided to maybe, I don't know, play a little bit smart, provide continuity with this green wire, which is gonna act, I know I've seen this happens, just assume that the wire is cut in between here and here, provide continuity from there to here, and now I have continuity.